Viewer, it's a pen tool. We are using that designs to generate that design. Here we have. I will explore these features here. We can take it again, make the further shapes. We are going to pick up that shapes here. Explore these options. We can generate the designs here. Find another shape. We are going to take that designs. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.